You will install the dplyr package if you pass the string dplyr as argument to the install.packages function. You will also install dplyr package if you install the tidyverse family of packages. dplyr is part of the tidyverse family of packages. If you run this statement and a true is returned, then you have installed dplyr package. Otherwise, dplyr package is yet to be installed and you will have to install it. Installed.packages will return a character vector containing the packages that you have installed. If the string dplyr matches any element of the character vector, true will be returned. Otherwise, false will be returned. Because dplyr is already installed, I will use the library function to load the package. The function names filter and lag are common to the dplyr package and the starts package. If you call filter or lag, you will access the dplyr version of the function. In addition, the function names intersect, setDiff, setEqual, and union are common to both the dplyr package and the base package. If you call any of these functions, you will access the dplyr version of the function name. You can still access the masked functions in the other packages if you make an explicit call to the function. For example, this statement will call the filter function in the starts package, and this statement will access the setDiff function in the base package. If you call the setDiff function like this, you will access that of the dplyr package. You can also access the setDiff function of the dplyr package like this. Generally, you can use this convention to access any function in any package.